Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. I'm here with Royal Beauty, and I was just at my friend's house, and we were recording, but we were using QuickTime Player instead of Screen-O-Matic, and it didn't work, but she still wanted to try it out, so we did, and we were just unlocking the bridge and with Donald the Builder, and so far we have cut the board, taken off all the splinters and smoothed it out. And we have used nails from Conrad, and now we need cement, and we're following a trail because there's a thief. So yeah, I'm so sorry that we couldn't film it, and it's a 3-day quest, so I'll be posting 2 different videos of this bridge, I guess. What is this? What is this? Ow! Yeah. The birds have eaten it all. Okay. Let's go. Royal Beauty is very thirsty, so we will be looking into that. And tomorrow I will probably be posting 2 videos of also us finally going back to Penny and Polly. So I will be bringing back Air Angel. Yeah. So right now we're just going to I was about to say Conrad. No, we're just going to Donald. And there's actually a star in Nelmer's Highland in like these thorns. And at Old Man Jasper's house there too. And at Fort Pinta in the beach. Or in the Moorland Beach there's one too, next to fishing. What? Birds have eaten up the colking? Yes, it did contain lots of sunflower seeds, but it was a whole bag. How did they manage to fly away with it? There was a lot of birds? Yes. Some birds can be very clever, you know. They must have all helped to fly away with it, I guess. It sounds pretty strange, doesn't it? Anyways, it is what it is. Does this mean I won't get to my beautiful Jarlheim again? How are we going to get colking now, Emma? I don't know, Donald. Do you? Do you, Royal Beauty? The pants, I love the detail. Look, I love the detail. Like, you can see how they're so muddy. Sides there, that's like perfect. On the bottom. I have no idea what to do. How am I going to get home to Jarlheim? You know, from my house I can hear the horses at Jorvik's stables in the morning. It would be wonderful to be able to hear them again. Sighs. What? You can make caulking? Okay, how? Miss Holdsworth? No, I'm not familiar with her, unfortunately. She's good with anything eco-friendly. Okay, I don't really know, but we don't really have a choice. If you think this is a good idea, then you should just ride over and ask her. Good luck, Emma. We're going to speed this up a little. So, let's go see Mrs. Holdsworth. Oh, Beauty, I already did I was about to say your royal chores, your daily chores. We'll do them again when we're in Moorland. Eco-friendly caulking? I haven't made that before, but it sounds exciting. It used to be that you could only feed, do the hoof picking, water your horse, and brush your horse at your home stable. So if you were like in Jarlheim or in Fort Pinta, you'd have to go all the way back to Moorland to do those 4 tasks if Moorland was your home stable. And you can change it. So we need to make some caulking to repair the bridge between the Harvest counties and Nelmer's Highland. It would be fantastic to be able to travel to Jorvik's stables again, so I'll help you. This is an old recipe for caulking that I learned from my old grandma. In my family, it has been used both as caulking and as a topping for sandwiches. It is delicious, actually, even if it does stick to the roof of your mouth. But this is a secret family recipe, so you promise me not to share it with anyone else. Do you promise? Okay. And first we need to cook up a base for the caulking. I have a few ingredients here, but we will have to get the rest from nature. The plants we need are dotted here, and these around moorland, and here and there around moorland, and shouldn't be too hard to find. Okay. So, Mrs. Holdsworth going to make some caulk for us. Oh, it's a spring flower. That's good to know. Okay, there's supposed to be some here next to Conrad. Supposed to be one right here. Oh, there it is. There is that one. Yeah. Takers. Okay, now. So, here. It's supposed to be some in this forest here. So, did I just see something sparkling? There's one. Oh, this is a different one. It's pretty. There, I knew I saw one there. And aren't they all different flowers? No? Okay. Tight curves. Tight curves, Royal Beauty, tight curves. Okay. So we're back with Mrs. Holdsworth. Right, Emma. These are perfect. Now we can start to cook them up. Doesn't that smell wonderful? That is the base for the cooking in my pot in the kitchen. So now we need to add the final ingredients to the mix so it will become perfect eco-friendly caulking. The first thing I need is a barrel of oats. I won't need all of it at once, but it is a big bridge, so we should order enough so we have some to make more later. In Moorland stables, there are barrels of oats all over the place. Thomas has said that I can take as many as I need, so please ride over and pick one up for me. Come back here when you have collected the barrel. Good luck. Okay. Okay, let's get that barrel. Sorry guys, I'm still a bit tired. Okay, barrel. Thomas? Where is Thomas? I mean, Justin? Where is Justin? Justin. I know that he's at Steve's farm, but normally he's also here. Maybe he's only here when he has a quest for us, and then he just chills out at Steve's. Okay, so here is some of your cement. Oats. Excellent, Emma. Now we have the oats we need and some extra for later. Oh, okay, so now we can come back. Oh, okay. Dig up. Oh, no, okay, let's read that. Now the base for the caulking has cooked for a whole day and the oats have been added. It is beginning to smell really good. Now we can add the most important ingredient, glue root. Without it, the caulking will just fall apart when the caulking dries out and it won't stick well enough in your mouth if you're eating it. which I definitely will be doing. Glue root is very common here in Moorland, so it shouldn't be a problem to find it. Root is the important part, not the leaves, and it can be hard to get the root out of the ground. So when you're getting the root out of the ground, be careful the root doesn't come off. If the root comes off, you will have to find another glue root plant and try again. Come back when you have enough glue root and we'll try to finish off the caulking. Okay. Oh. Okay. So it's like in Moorland. Okay. Okay. How much do we need? Oh my god. No! Oh my god, this is gonna be really hard. I'm ready with my shovel. Let's go to the beach. Maybe there's some over there. Oh my god, we just need 8. Okay. Okay, 2 out of 8. So far, so good. Don't jinx it. Okay, it looks so weird in my inventory here. So weird. 3 out of 8. Okay. Should be some on this hill, apparently. There we go. Probably easier to get it out of the sand than out of here. Okay. There should be one like right out there. Five, 6, maybe, yeah. No. Okay. There's one back here. Okay, 2 more. 2 more. Oh, there it is. There's 1. And there's 1 other in the corner here. Okay, go get that one. Oh, there are 2 in the corner here even. Good. I'm sorry guys, I kind of have a cold. Okay, let's run over back to Mrs. Holdsworth. Okay. Okay. I went well with the glue roll, Emma. This should make the perfect caulking. Give me a second to mix it in. There. Perfect. This should seal the bridge as tight as it can be. And there's enough left for a sandwich or 2 for me. Here's a barrel of caulking that you can use for repairing the bridge. Emma, come back tomorrow if you would like me to make more. If you can't wait until tomorrow, then I'm sure you can buy some slightly less mentally friendly caulking from that Billy Bulldozer guy up at the GED building site in Moorland. Now I'm going to have a sandwich. Yum. Okay, we got 4 barrels. Should be enough. We are going to leave it at that today. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.